Hi, I'm Phoebe. I'm from the Aveda Institute of Des Moines. Today I'm going to be showing some tips and tricks for styling loose, textured waves on shorter length hair. What you'll need to get this look is Aveda's Shampure Dry Shampoo and Dry Conditioner, Air Control Light Hold Hairspray, and a curling iron. Starting on clean, dry hair, focus on the root and distribute Aveda's Dry Shampoo with your fingers to absorb oil and give hair light volume and grip. Then spray Aveda Shampure Dry Conditioner on mids to ends and comb through so it's evenly distributed. This conditions the hair and is also a heat protectant. Next, curl entire head of hair in different directions. Make sure to direct pieces away from your face. When you are finished curling the hair, use Aveda's Air Control Hairspray and spray entire head. Last step is to lightly finger comb through your hair to separate the curls and make it more textured.